I want to show you something that I got for my mom that has been super helpful. And I'm going to show you another way how I actually use it. Now, this was sent to me by OPTEEL to check out, and let me say, I love this. So let me start by saying my mom is 80 years old, and these things have definitely come in handy. If she's not feeling that good, feeling a little shaky, sometimes she won't take a shower, and she'll just bathe her body with these wipes. I love the fact that they are super big. They're 8 by 13, so they are big enough to where you don't have to go through like 10 of them to get your body clean. You can just go through a couple. Now, I'm only 40. I'm still very active. I work out every evening. I even kept a couple of these packs because I love to work out in the gym, and then if I have to go grocery shopping or something like that, I just wipe this across my arms, my legs, my neck, and under my arms just to give me a quick freshen up, because you don't want to go anywhere stinky and funky, right? These adult wipes are unscented, so you can use them on most areas of your body. They're also pre-moistened, and they come with the little top that clips down so they don't dry out, plus they're alcohol free. This has been a godsend for my mom. I don't have to worry about her trying to take a shower on her own. This allows her to stand at her sink and get her body clean. And also, since she wears adult diapers, this allows her to kind of freshen up throughout the day, which she is able to do since these are gentle and alcohol free. So even though these are for the elderly, trust me, you don't have to be elderly to use this. Check out the OPTEEL store.